Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can set timer on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your clock application on your Android phone, and this is my clock application. So I'm going to tap on it, and after that we can click on timer since we want to set timer. So just click on the timer option right here, then set the timer that you want. For example, I'm going to select 5 minutes and 5 seconds like this, and after we're done setting the timer, we can click on start to start the timer. Alright, and the timer is running, and I'm just going to cancel it. Okay guys, and that's how we can set timer on Android phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.